Wait, as you can see, my bird can fly. She's a girl. I have to throw her up so she can try to fly, but she's full of eggs, so she can't fly now. And she has to go poop outside because she can't go poop in here. Why would she do that? What she did. Sorry, she just poked me a little. And okay. So we had to turn the fans off for a minute, and we couldn't do it. We couldn't hear it, but we only had to turn the fans off. So that's why we stopped for a minute. And she likes to eat dust off the floor, and she likes it. She eats polka dot seeds, and she eats grass, and she tries to eat her little hairs. So, as you can see, she likes pollen, and okay, I'm really talk today. And she likes flowers and pollen, all flowers. And she likes bark, little teeny tiny pieces of bark. She likes to lay down like that. She spreads out her hairs like that to lay down. And she likes to fly. So that's all I like to say. Bye.